Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation DC, which stands for double crochet. It's a medium height stitch that equates to 3 chains. So to make your double crochet, you do a yarn over and go into your next stitch and go through the both loops unless specified otherwise. Yarn over, bring that loop out and back up, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. So let's do that again. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, bring it through and up, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And I'm going to get to the end of the row here. And now I'm at the chain 3 step up here, which is a turning chain or T-chain. And I'm going to crochet into the topmost chain of the 3. So yarn over into that chain, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Now I'm going to turn my work and chain 3, and that will count as the first double crochet. And so we're going to skip the first stitch here and go into the next stitch. So yarn over into the next because we've got the T-chain counting as the first stitch, and I would carry on all the way across and do the same thing over again. So that is DC double crochet.